Many people who want financial independence and a life free from traditional office confines have been drawn to the appeal of the digital nomad lifestyle in a world where digital connectivity and remote work are the norm. This video explores the various chances, difficulties, and tactics that lead to a mobile profession and is your in-depth guide to earning money as a digital nomad. We start our adventure by investigating the growth of digital nomadism. We examine the causes of this cultural revolution, including evolving perspectives on work-life balance and technological breakthroughs. This section lays the groundwork for understanding why people who are looking to become financially independent are finding the digital nomad lifestyle to be an appealing option. Freelancing is a major component of many digital nomad journeys. We examine the many channels for freelancing, looking at how people can make a successful career out of their talent in writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing. We mentor aspiring digital nomads on their journey to become proficient freelancers by sharing real-life success stories and useful advice. Remote work alternatives are abundant for individuals who desire the security of regular employment. This section examines the wide range of remote employment opportunities available across industries and offers advice on how to relocate, apply for, and land remote jobs. We talk about how companies are beginning to accept remote work more and more, as well as the equipment and know-how needed to succeed in a remote office setting. The network of digital nomads is thriving on the spread of entrepreneurship. The opportunities for entrepreneurship are discussed in this section, ranging from starting an online business to developing a digital good or service. We explore the experiences of entrepreneurs who are digital nomads and have successfully monetized their side businesses, providing guidance and motivation. Making passive income is a crucial component of financial independence for digital nomads. We delve into the realm of affiliate marketing and other tactics for establishing affiliate relationships and optimizing revenue. We also discuss various passive income streams like blogging, making and selling digital products, and developing a strong online presence that bring in money while you travel. Being relevant is essential in the rapidly changing digital landscape. The significance of ongoing skill development for digital nomads is emphasized in this part. We list the talents that are in demand for remote employment, provides resources to help you acquire them, and talk about how developing your skill set now will pay you later on in life as digital nomad. For a digital nomad lifestyle to be sustainable, financial security is essential. This section offers helpful advice on creating a financial safety net, controlling spending, and creating a budget. In order to ensure that digital nomads may prosper financially while traveling, we examine the subtleties of nomad finances from managing several currencies to navigating tax consequences. Understanding cultural concerns is essential for successful digital nomadism. In addition to financial ones, we examine the difficulties and benefits of accepting diversity, adjusting to various cultural norms, and creating a worldwide network. This section provides advice on how to design a well-rounded lifestyle that incorporates employment, travel, and cultural immersion of the journey and proactively manage its ups and downs. The lifestyle of the digital nomad is by its very nature communal, and community development is an essential component of long-term success. We examine the many online and offline networks for the digital nomads, offering suggestions on how networking and teamwork can improve the mobile lifestyle. Experienced digital nomads interviews provide insight into the need of a strong sense of community. Diversifying sources of revenue is a crucial component of a successful digital nomad business plan. Beyond conventional remote work or freelancing, successful digital nomads frequently combine several sources of income.